All right, crew. So, hey, we're about to head to Elizabethon. They should be having a little drive-in this evening. Go down there and check them out. I'm not really sure how many cars, whatever they're gonna have out there, but we're gonna go and try to check out some cool cars, man. I'm excited to see some of these new vehicles and stuff, and there's no telling how long they're going to be having these car shows, so I try my best to catch as many shows as possible for the viewers, so you guys can see all the different cars and stuff, man. I never get tired of looking at these old cars. I hope you guys don't either. Hey, so if you guys are new to the channel, you're watching Classic Chevy with CJ. This is where we do it yourself and we have fun doing it. So I want you guys to come along with me today, and we're gonna see what we can find. Maybe we can find an old gem in the rough, guys. This will be an exciting evening. I appreciate you guys hanging out with me and everything. Hope you guys have been enjoying all the videos, man. Hey, I've been on the grind, man. I've non-stop last couple of days. It's been raining a lot though here in Bristol, but today is finally an awesome day, man. It's the Memorial Day weekend, so there should be a lot of stuff going on that we can try to get into, man. So hey, I'm gonna turn you guys back on as soon as I get downtown Elizabethton and see what we can get into, guys. So hey, thanks for hanging out with me today. All right, guys, we just got down here to the car show, and I tell you what, man, this is going to be a pretty good car show again. Look at all these cars down here. All these cars down here, man. I wasn't expecting this here. Got cars rolling in left and right. We're down here in Carter County car show. So we're going to get some good footage here, man. And see, they got the roads blocked off. Tell you what, let me see here. That's a nice one there, man. Look at that. I tell you, this is cool. Man. All right, guys. Look at that. Got an old flathead in there. Man, that's nice. I like that color too. I like that gray. Look at that. Boy, boy, boy. I bet that thing get up and go. Convertible, got a convertible top on it. I love those windshields on these things, man. See, that's cool too. You got the spokes. See, most of them update those tires and stuff. Got the spokes on there. Man, I tell you what, that's sharp. It is sharp, ain't it? How you doing? Yep, that's the first thing I know is that flathead in there.
Oh yeah, you don't hardly see any of them.
Nope. Man, all right. I tell you what, this is a treat here, guys. This is a treat. That right there's built for racing there. 440. Ooh, look at that scoop on that one. I tell you what, man, we're gonna have to walk through here. Oh, 383. I don't know which way to go, guys. So all this stuff out here. Hey, how you doing? He got his trophies in the back there. He's ready. This is clean too. Super B. What you guys think, man? Old Chevy there. Man, they out here full effect today, guys. I tell you. Hey, am I bringing you guys some video or what, huh? 98? Good old wagon. Where they all are they coming? Hey, this is my very first car when I was in high school. I had 280ZX right there, man. 280 right there. Look, oh man, look at that right there. That's C10. That's what everybody getting, that C10. That's cool there, man. That C10. I like that. What year is that? 68? They're coming in, guys. Got them, man. Yeah. Coming in, buddy. You got a little backup light up in there. Check that out, guys. Man, that's sharp. I do. I like those little seats. He got his like little bucket seats on the side. See that ghost up in there? Got that ghost in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Very good. I like how they did the panels up in there. Good job. You want 49 for this baby. That's everything about it right there. That's 49. That's awesome. Ooh. All right, guys, let's take a walk down here. Johnson. I like that. Look at that. That's almost like a little Lucky 13. Let's see what she got going on up in here.
Get the shifter.
Yeah, I know that old skull. I like that. Man, I tell you what, this is all right, guys. This yeah, that's old Ford. That's cool. That's slick.
Sorry.
Oh, y'all fine. How y'all doing?
All right, how you?
Doing great. Get this in there, man. It's a clean Ford here, guys. Y'all fine. How y'all doing?
How you doing?
Good. All right, guys. I'll catch you guys back on. How you doing, man? I keep getting stopped. Oh man, there go my truck. There go a panel wagon right there. I gotta check that one out. I want it. That looks just like mine there. So there's another one. Yeah, everybody keeps stopping me. Said they saw me earlier and stuff, and everybody like old Blue Ash and Bullseye. They keep saying, "Well, hey, what are you doing there?" I tell them what I do them, and I actually give them a card. So you guys know I got my cards here I give out, so everybody seems like that. How y'all doing? All right now. A lot of new stuff here, man. A lot of new stuff. Look at that Bel Air. I got that one there on my last video. Look at it now. This is a new one. No hot rods and haulers. Yeah. That's cool. Yes. Sharp here. And we still ain't got that side, guys. I tell you, man, there's all kinds of stuff up here. It looks like they got a lot of older restorations. Walk all the way down there. Man, look at that little vintage wagon over there. I'm about to go ahead and check this one out. That's cool. Look at that there. That's cool, man. Street Riders of America. Let's check it out on the side. Oh man, look at that. Get that wood grain up in there. cool. I like this one here, guys. Man, this one here is sharp there, man. That's 57 right there. I already know what this is. 57 there, buddy. I don't know what he got underneath the hood, but she's sharp. She is sharp. Man, that's cool. And we already got a picture of that one there. You guys remember that one? That was in the previous car show there. Look, like I guess it's like a little rat rod there, guys. Check that out. Got the little spider in front. Hey, let's go play. Let's check. Let's go and check inside of this one here. It looks like they got a little rawhide in there. Look at that. Tell me that ain't cool. Look at that there. Hey, what's going on? Mike, what y'all up to? Ah, I got some friends up here. I'll tell you guys back on in a minute. We'll see you guys again. I'll talk to y'all tomorrow, lady. Another SS up here, guys. All right. Look at this. This is another one. This is a C28 Camaro. That's sharp. Hey, how you doing, man? Good. Good, buddy. Yeah, I mean, that's sharp. Bel Air. All right, action. Hey, this is got that. This is the look that I have here, man. This is what it's about. Custom Deluxe, Axel's Ride Shop. I like that. Man, I tell you what, tell me, there's a lot of nice ones out here. Tell you, like that. C10 album look like my buddy Gary's there. Shoot, I'm going to show Gary this one here. See here, let's to the front. Yes, sir. Look at that there. All right, he even got the blue bow tie there. We got that baby chromed out, guys. Chromed out. We got a little pinstripe there. Pinstripe going. Man, that's pretty slick there. Heartbeat of America. What do you guys want to see? Write down in the comments what kind of cars you like for me to do a cool review on. That's another one for sale. That'll be a nice little rusto mod there. Let's see here. I like that top. Uh-oh. Yeah, you guys need to write down what would you guys like for me to review. Write down in the comments and stuff, guys, and I'll try to find it. And we'll do a car review on it. Yeah. My neighbor actually had one of these Mark 1s right here. Got a little wagon there. A Ford. That's what that thing looked like before. That's what it looked like before there. Let's take a look inside of the interior. She's long. This is a boat here.
Absolutely. Well, my name is Charlotte.
It's a Galaxy.
Nice to meet you, David Smith. Nice to meet you, Charles.
See, so they had a car show, an annual car show down here about 3 weeks ago, and it was not this many cars down here. I mean, there's more cars now than there was like almost a month ago. Man, it's crazy. See here. I love those Bel Airs, man. I like those Bel Airs. They're sharp. Suicide doors on this one here. This is Ford. Old Ford Coupe. doing, sir?
We're good.
All right. I like those suicide doors they got here.
People got killed for them doors.
I know, yeah. Yeah, they were Corvette. A lot of nice ones, man. Look at that there, man. That's sweet. Everything original up in there. Hey, how y'all doing? Nice. All right, guys, we're about to get out of here today, man. I've got a lot of footage of some cool vehicles, and I hope you guys have enjoyed all these vehicles today, man. They keep rolling in here. Here's another one. Right. Goes for miles and people still coming in. That's right there. I think that was on a previous video as well. So they're out here, man. Another SS. I'll tell you what, man. A lot of nice cars out here. You know, not a lot of trucks out here today. Let's walk over here. Hey, there you go, guys. Just like that. Just like that, man. We are out. We've seen a lot of awesome vehicles today, man. I want to thank you all for hanging out with CJ the Cigar Man today. Catch me next week for another banging video, straight and direct from Bristol, Virginia. Hey, like I tell you guys, this channel here is where you do it yourself and we have fun doing it. I want to thank you for hanging out with me today, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you got a fast car or truck, smoke them if you got them. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.